about the Scratch Junior Intro for mobiles, tablets, iPads also. Now let's jump into the video. Now I have opened Scratch Junior, home button. Now I'm gonna tap on a new project. Now I'm having a sprite here. What is the meaning of sprite? Is it any cold drink? No, don't think like that. Sprite means a character in the coding language. Now we can see so many buttons here. Add button, a person standing button, sound button, locks button, and a red color block button. Now what are these? Where are we going to do the coding part? And what is this sprite in? Come on, don't get worried. Today video is all about the Scratch only. Now we can see a button here. It is an enlarging button. It is where after doing all the coding we will play the green color flag. Now after it we are having a x-axis and y-axis. Now we can see where is the sprite in y-axis and x-axis. Now what is this button here? Now what is this button here? It is nothing but the backdrop. Now what is a backdrop? Backdrop is nothing but backdrop. Now I'm gonna choose farm, or I don't want farm. We can make the backdrop, but it's how? Don't worry, we are having a white color and we are having a paint option here, right? The paint option. Now click on that. Here we are doing the background. Now we are having the undo and redo buttons here. Now I'm gonna how to erase this? Don't worry, we are having a button here. Click on that. Now click on what don't want. Now I'm gonna choosing green. Now I'm gonna choose a rectangle and it is in a red color. I'm gonna make this. Now again in another color. Now in light green and now in blue and now in green and now I'm doing in pink. Now how we do here? This is the one. And if we want to draw on our own, I don't want any of these triangles. Just click the scissor button and then click on. Now I do want to draw on my own. Now I'm choosing the black button, the white color, and I'm drawing a coil. Now you can see the coil here. Now these are circles, these are squares, or we can make them rectangle also. These are triangles, right? We have already seen. Now we are having how thin we can do, or we can upload also. cat sprite in this one. What is about ABCD? ABCD is nothing but what we type. I'm gonna type cat. Okay. It will be a heading here. Now we can choose so many backdrops here. Now, and how to get so many characters or sprites like this, how we can do. Okay. Now I'm in the interface guide. Now there is the save. We can see the interface guide of here. Save. The first one is save, right? The first one is save. And now in save we can see save the current project and exit to home page. That is how we save the project. Now in second one, this is the stage where we display where the characters or sprite will be displayed, and if we have coded a story we can do that. Now third option, presentation mode, expand. Now only I have showed how to expand it. Expand the full stage and extend the white grid. The change background, add text or heading, reset the characters again to their position. Now this is the main option in this one, the green flag or the stop, red color stop button. To start all the project, programming scripts, all the story, you have to click on the green flag button. It is the main key to access to script. Now to the pages or to the backdrops. What in Scratch Junior we can only select 4 backdrops for the story, and the 10th option is for project naming, and I have showed already in my previous video. Now to the 11th option, which is undo and redo. Now if you make any mistake, tap undo to go back in time, and reversing the last action, tap redo to the reverse undo, last undo. Now the programming skip where the coding which we all done, we can see that here in this place we can see. Now we can see some blocks here. This is what the blocks are to. Now we can see some arrow mark buttons here. These are the motion blocks. And the 13th one, the programming area, right? The programming area and the blocks panel, where we can see the blocks over here, right? Now 15th stage, the block categories, where we can see the types of blocks. We can see a yellow color block, arrow mark, a blue color block, a person standing, violet color block, a speaker block. Speaker block is nothing but the sound block which we do, and the red color block will having only 3 types of blocks, which are reverse, start again, and repeat block, and another is to change to backdrop 2, and another is to just stop there. Now in 16th option, we can see the characters which we have selected. We can select so many characters. Here we can read about the characters. Select among the characters in your project or tap the plus sign to add a new one. This is the plus sign. Once a character is selected, you can edit its script, tap its name to rename it, or tap the paintbrush to edit it, image to delete a character, press and hold. Now if I want to delete this character, then I should press, then I will be getting a wrong arrow mark here. Then I will click on that, then the character will disappear. Now, this is all about the interface guide, where the programming area. See, this is the paint editor guide which I have shown previously. The one is undo and the second one is redo. We can see the character's name and we can change it also. Cut option I have shown to delete or erase the access we don't want. After selecting the cut tool, you can tap a character or shape to remove it from the canvas. What is a canvas here? Nothing but this area. Right? This area, this entire area is canvas. Now the sixth option, duplicate. We can make a duplicate also out of this. This is a duplicate. This is the duplicate option. The stamp we can see as a picture, which is duplicate. Now, seventh option is rotate. To rotate a figure, we will use this option. And now, drag. Right? Drag. We can drag the cat anywhere which we want. Select this option and then drag the cat to extern the character. Right? 9. Save the change. To save it, we have to click on the correct option here. Now, the fill which I have shown in the green area, camera. We can, after selecting the camera tool, you can tap any section of a character or shape and then tap the camera button to fill the section with a new photo take with the camera. Let me show you that. Now let's go
వస్తున్నా.
paint guide. Now select wow, we got the, I'm going to choose the reasons. Wow, we can see how it is coming, guys. Right, we can see it. Wow, I like this color. See, our cat sprite has changed into violet color. Now let's again go back to the paint editor guide. Now we were in the 10th option, so the 11th option, and the 12th option is what about the color we want, and the 13th option is line width. I have shown how width it really comes. Now this is all about the paint guide, and we can check about the motion blocks, look blocks, sound blocks, control blocks, end blocks. I have have to write. They will be only having three options in the end block, which is top button, change to a specific backdrop, and again run the script over and again. Repeat forever, we can see here. I'm gonna keep it in green color. Now here, the control blocks. Just a second. The control blocks. Now, it's a wait option. Wait for 10 seconds, 20, 30, 40, how many seconds you want, you can keep. Change the rate at which certain block are run. Stop all the characters in the script and just move this character. Run the block inside a specific number of times. We can see a number here, 4 we can see. We can see a number 4 here, right? 4 times, repeat again. Repeat option we can see here on this block. Now, the sound blocks, which I love the most of it because I can record my voice also. Play record sound, which we record our own voice or any other sounds and play in the script, or select the option from the app which I provided. Now to the looks blocks, here which we do the size changing growth. Now I will show you. It is the increase size by 2 times of the real size of the character or sprite. Now reset the size or just again get back to the original size. Now we can hide the figure by keeping on this block. Show fading character until it is fully visible. Now shrink means nothing but decrease of the character size, and you see it is the block, same block which we kept the text or any message by giving the character. Now to the motion blocks, which are the one which we have seen is the interface guide here, the blue color blocks. In the blocks guide we can see motion blocks: move right, left, up, down, turn right, turn left means rotating right or rotating left. Hop means jumping, and go home. Go home means just again back to the original place of the character which we have when we have started the script. Now in the triggering blocks, the first and one and only we should know about this. The start on green flag. It is a very important button to keep, right? It will be only starting the script. Now start on touch. The other character will touch by another and again get to the original place. Send a message of the specified color. Send a message of a character. Start on tab. This is another block to start. Not only green flag. We can start with these blocks also by touching one another character. This is another block to start. Not only green flag. We can start with these blocks also by touching one another character. This block only which we will not use to start the script. Right, script. Now start on tab. When we tap the character, the script will be started. It is amazing block. I tried it, but I will try to share with you guys. Now this is all about the blocks, and we can see the first option here is about scratch. These are the things or which who have created what is about Scratch Junior. Now what is this question mark over here? Why is it here? Why is it here? So many got doubt. Why is this question mark? Here we can see so many tutorials. Now I like dance, so I'm clicking on dance. Now we can see the blocks are being coded here. Now there is another important thing. We should always connect the block one another. If we won't connect, the script won't work. Okay. Now I'm going to start this. Wow, the man is dancing, right? And the scuba diver is also dancing, rotating. The snake is roaming around the woods. Finish. The script was being finished. In the tutorial option, we can make such this. Again, I will show you another one. Wow, I like friends, so I won't be clicking on the friends. I'm enlarging it, and I should have to click on the. It is if we use it the looks block, then it will be like this. Wow. In the first background, we can see if we use the look block, say block, then it will be like coming like this. See? Now, let's go to our project which we have been started. These are the one start on, or I'm gonna show you this block today. Keeping 5 steps to move, okay, and change to second backdrop. Right, I'm doing like this, and I click on the cat 5 times it out and change it to the backdrop 2. And this is how we work in the Scratch Junior. And these are some of my projects. Let me show you, which I have used the save blocks to do this script. Let me show you guys using the save block. How are you? How is this? Nice. Let's go to Polar region today. Great, let's go. Hey, these are Polar regions. Now this is the script which I have made it by using the save block only, not using the sound or pop block.
And if you have tried the Scratch Junior by seeing my video, then send a video to the email which I have provided in the description below. And thank you for watching my video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.